Hello, folks. Tim Thomas here. Welcome to the video. Wanted to get up here, and I got one of the most awaited videos of the year. I want to first of all thank all of you for your support that you have given me over the last few weeks. Those of y'all that partnered in programs, super excited about that. Could not be more excited about what we've got going on, and great things are happening. So we're very, very excited. All right, guys, let's get into the video. We are starting a company, and it is a supplement company. Folks, and stay tuned. Let me tell you how we can help everybody that participates in it. It's a 3x10 force matrix, meaning 3 people up under you, and you start building a team around them. Now, folks, I know how I do these videos. I'm going to sit around and do videos, emails, postcards. We're going to do posts on different social networks, and we're going to build a huge team. Now is the time to partner. I'm signing people up right up under people, and this is going to be incredible. I'm going to get my first few people, and we're going to just build a team out from there. My sponsor is Jose Green. Could not be more excited to have a supported sponsor. Upline's Greg. Down in Florida, so very excited. Greg has built the postcard that me, Jose, and them are very excited about. Guys, look at this. You're going to be able to mail this postcard. We've got a proven system, guys. You're going to have a website. You can get a postcard. Build yourself a 4 to 5 figure monthly income while you sleep. Done for you. Marketing system. I'm going to show you the lead capture page. There is no cold calling, no chasing family and friends, no personal selling. If you can mail this postcard, you're going to visit this website here below, yoursecretplantowealth.com. Folks, it's going to talk about the matrix. I am going to play the video, and the video is going to do the selling, telling, explaining for us. We're going to look at the product real quick. Guys, give me about 13 more minutes on this video, and we're going to be off. But we've got a proven postcard. We've got a proven flyer that you can mail, and it is incredible. The flyer says, just announce. You're one of the first to know. Folks, we've got less than 300 people in the company right now as I speak. And if you partner now, next year you could be sitting here at over 5 to 10 grand per month, because we're going to build this thing. We're going to build this program. And I'm just adding this to the other programs that we're currently doing. This is going to be our money on the back end that we're going to be focusing on. You know, we've got Prosperity People System. We've got the $98 program. That's fast money. But we're talking about money that's going to be residual money that we can build over time. At the same time, we've got a combination of what we're building wealth with, and we're going to be using that to build long-term wealth with. So very exciting. And I'm going to play the video. Guys, the product is, let me show you. The product's going to be a supplement right here. And folks, it's only $25 to get started. $25 plus $5 shipping and handling. It's a dietary supplement. I'm not going to go through all the details of it in this video. But that's the product. You can read more about it. It's a vegetarian capsule, 30 per container. And it shows all the ingredients in here for you. It supports digestive health. It's your immune system, nutrition supplement. And guys, this just looks like a great little product. I'm not, again, going into all the ins and out of it. Today, I'm going to talk about the compensation plan, and then we'll dive into the product on another video. But if you want to go to read more about the product, you can come here, click onto the tab. My website will be below. Click product, and it will give you the ins and out of this product right here. What we as entrepreneurs, we want to get to the money, the compensation plan. And let me show you that. Here is the compensation plan. And I want you to look at this video with me as what's possible with wealth step by step.
Did you know that the global health and wellness industry is now worth $4.2 trillion? According to a recent research, over 87% of U.S. consumers take some form of dietary supplements. Consumers are spending more money on their health than ever before, constantly looking for products to make them look and feel better. On an average, consumers spend more than $100 per month, totaling over $1,200 a year on nutritional supplements, such as vitamins, minerals, herbal, and sports nutrition products, and also skincare products. This is where we come in. Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you can cash in on the multi-trillion-dollar health and wellness industry. Let me introduce to you our company called Wealth Step by Step. By becoming a Wealth Step by Step member, you can easily earn an extra $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month or more in commission as your team grows. Let me explain how simple it would be for you to earn over $10,000 per month in commission through the Wealth Step-by-Step Compensation Pay Plan. What we are about to show you is an illustration of potential monthly income earnings. There are no income guarantees through this illustration, and your personal results will be fully dependent upon your own efforts and the efforts of your group. Wealth Step-by-Step is a 3-wide, 10 levels deep forced matrix pay structure. But to keep it simple of explaining the compensation pay plan, we will be illustrating just a 3-wide, 7-level deep
This is
forced
powerful,
matrix
folks,
pay
so
structure.
pay very close
The 2
attention,
pay
guys.
charts that we will be showing will represent only 3 Wealth Step-by-Step members purchasing just 1 bottle of our probiotic supplement for $25 per month, and then each of those 3 members personally enrolling just 3 new Wealth Step-by-Step members to do the same, down just 7 levels deep. You will earn a $4 commission from everyone in your downline that purchased the product. The 2 pay charts will also consist of 2 phases, Phase 1 Matrix and Phase 2 Matrix. Take a look at Phase 1 Matrix. As you can see, you have personally enrolled just 3 new Wealth Step-by-Step members, and they each did the same down just 3 levels. You have earned a total of $156. When you have reached about $100 a month in commissions in your Phase 1 Matrix, in order for you to earn higher commission, you must upgrade to Phase 2 Matrix and purchase 1 more bottle of our probiotic supplement. By using some of your commission profits from your Phase 1 Matrix, you can painlessly join Phase 2 Matrix and will be able to earn a lot more money, over $13,000 a month. A total of 2 of our probiotic supplement products for Phase 2 Matrix will cost about $60 per month, which includes shipping cost. Once you have built the first 3 levels of your Phase 1 Matrix, you will have also built the first 3 levels of your Phase 2 Matrix as well, because your team members will follow you into Phase 2 Matrix. Now take a look at Phase 2 Matrix. When your Phase 1 Matrix Wealth Step-by-Step members start upgrading to Phase 2 Matrix, this will cause all of your Phase 2 Matrix levels to fill in. And when this happens, this will give you a total residual income of $13,116 per month, when all 7 levels are completely filled. Just so you know, if a member that you have personally enrolled upgrades from Phase 1 Matrix to Phase 2 Matrix before you do, you cannot get paid on that member until you have upgraded to Phase 2 Matrix also. Upgrade to Phase 2 Matrix as soon as possible to avoid this from happening. What would an extra $13,116 per month income do for you and your family? You could stay in bed every day, knowing that you'll never need to go to your job ever again. You could live anywhere in the world you wanted to live, drive any cars you wanted to drive, take your family on a dream vacation. Imagine, no financial stress in your life. As a Wealth Step-by-Step member, the possibilities are unlimited of how much you can earn each month. Now that you understand how the Wealth Step-by-Step Compensation Plan pays, you're probably wondering and thinking, how am I going to introduce others to the business opportunity?
Watch this, guys.
Simple. We have developed a turnkey direct mail postcard marketing system that all you have to do in order to introduce others to the Wealth Step-by-Step business opportunity is just mail our highly responsive postcard. This is how the postcard system works. When your prospects have received your postcard, they will visit our team website to watch this exact same video that you are watching right now. You see, once your prospects see how simple the business is and how simple it will be to earn life-changing income each and every month from home, they'll be ready to get signed up. You will never have to personally sell anything or explain the business opportunity to anyone. Just mail our postcards and let our system do all the talking and explaining for you. It just doesn't get any easier than this. So if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider Wealth Step by Step. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Visit the website that is located on the back side of the postcard that you have received and get signed up as a Wealth Step by Step member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
Folks, this is going to be very exciting to be a part of. Wealth Step by Step. That 3x10 force matrix. I want to show you this thing. Look at this pay plan, folks. Thing is incredible. You only get started for $25, which is the lowest price in the industry. You earn a huge $4 commission for every person that's in your downline. This massive 3x10 force matrix create massive teamwork. You can earn up to $354,000 a month. Folks, we're going to help people right now that this time next year you could be making five figures a month. Income disclaimer. Nothing happens until you take action. And but we can help so many people because we're going to build a team around these folks that are coming aboard. This can be exciting. Our goal at Wealth Step by Step is to reach any person in the opportunity to become financial free. We have a straightforward compensation plan. Let's go down here, folks. Look at the phases in monthly income. Level 3. Folks, level 3, 3 accounts up under you, you got $12 a month. Level 2, you're looking at $48 a month. Level 3, you're 100 people up under you, looking at $156. Level 4, 300 people, you're looking at $480 per month. Then you're going into level phase 2. And folks, look at the numbers. They start to get staggering. They start to stagger with only about 1,000 people on the product up under you, which is simple to do. You're talking about $1,500 a month on autopilot. When you go to 3,000, you're looking at about $4,300 a month. Then you got 8,000 people up under you. On the product, you're looking at $13,000 a month. Mess around, the numbers can get crazy, folks. Absolutely. The best matrix that I've seen, guys, in the industry. It's a 3x10 force matrix. When you get a chance, come back up to the tab. Link will be below the video. And click on to pay plan. Let's start talking about this thing. Wealth Step by Step. I've got my product ordered. It is on the way. And I'm going to talk about this thing in several more videos. Folks, something big has arrived. We can build this over time. This is what we call our long-term residual money. I've been looking for a residual program, another residual besides the 98 Unlimited that we can build. We need some residual programs rather than, fast money all the time. I love getting those $100 payments. I love getting those $500, $1,500, $3,500 payments. But what can we build a lifetime of wealth behind in addition to the fast money? All right, folks, if you found value in this video, and you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now, until the next step-by-step video. And what we're using to put in to our marketing to build long-term wealth. So guys, this is very exciting.